Are you facing a network error has occurred in Grand Blue Fantasy Relink on PC? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart your PC. When a network error has occurred while playing Grand Blue Fantasy Relink, first of all, restart your system. If the error has occurred due to minor bugs and glitches, it can get fixed with a restart. So exit the game. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Del to launch taskbar. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the game. Select the End Task option to close all the processes related to the game. Now restart your PC. Once your system restarts, launch the game and see. Method 2. Check your internet connection. You need a stable internet connection while playing games, so check your internet speed from speedtest.net. If you have an unstable and poor internet connection, then contact your service provider. Method 3. Restart the router or modem. The next thing you can do is restart your router or modem. So turn off your PC and your router or modem. Disconnect all the attached peripherals and cables. Wait for some time and then reconnect everything. Now turn on your device, the router or modem, and check for an internet connection. Method 4. Check the game server. You should also check the game server and see if there is any server outage or if the server is under maintenance, as this can be the reason why the network error has occurred. You can check the Grand Blue Fantasy Discord server. If there is any problem on the server side, then wait for some time and then check again. When the server becomes up and live again, launch the game and check. Method 5. Change your network connection. You can also shift to a different network and see if that works for you. If you have access to a different Wi-Fi connection, then switch to that. You can also choose an Ethernet connection, as it ensures a more stable connection. Also make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can disconnect your Ethernet cable from all the sources and connect it to some other PC on another internet connection to check it. Method 6. Run the network troubleshooter. Windows has an inbuilt network troubleshooter to fix network-related issues. So run the network troubleshooter when you're having connection issues while playing Grand Blue Fantasy Relink. Here is how to run the troubleshooter. Go to the Windows search menu and type Troubleshoot. Select Troubleshoot settings from the given options. From the right side of the opened window, choose Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run next to Network and Internet. Follow an on-screen prompt to finish the process. After running the troubleshooter, if the problem persists, then update the network drivers. Method 7. Update the network drivers. Outdated network drivers can be the reason why you are having network-related issues. So update the network drivers and see if this can fix the problem. Open Device Manager using Windows Search. Expand the Network Adapters section. Right-click on your network driver and select the Update Driver option. Check if this could fix the issue. If not, reinstall the network drivers. Expand the Network Adapter section again in Device Manager and right-click on your network driver. Select the Uninstall Device option. Next, check the box for Attempt to remove the driver for this device and click the Uninstall button. Once done, restart your device and it should automatically download the necessary drivers. Now see if this could fix the issue. Otherwise, reset the network settings. Flushing the DNS will clear all the DNS cache, and resetting the network settings helps fix various network-related issues. So, flushing DNS and reset the network settings when your Ethernet connection is not properly working. Here is how to do so. Type CMD in the search menu and right-click on the command prompt. Select to run as administrator. Copy and paste the following commands in the elevated command prompt window. Press the enter button after each command. ipconfig/flushdns, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int ip reset, netsh winsock reset. Once done, restart your PC and then launch the game. Method 8. Change the DNS settings. Sometimes the DNS settings may not be configured correctly. Due to this, you may get network error while gaming. So change the DNS settings and see if this can fix the issue. Open Control Panel using Windows Search. Change View By to large or small icons. Select Network and Sharing Center. Click on your internet connection and expand its properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 and select the Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically options. Now see if this has fixed the Ethernet connection error, or else go to the next step. Next, select Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. Then click on Use the following DNS server addresses option. Set the value of the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8. Then set the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the changes. Now launch the game and check. If this couldn't fix the issue, then reset your network. Method 9. Reset the network. Resetting the network removes the network adapters and all related settings. It will reset the network afresh and fix connectivity related issues. To reset the network, press the Windows +I keys to go to the Windows settings and select Network and Internet. Next, select Advanced Network Settings, then select the Network Reset option. From the next window, click the Reset Now button beside the Network Reset option. Next, click on Yes and let your PC restart. Now this should fix the problem. Method 10. Disable Firewall. Firewall and your antivirus program can also interfere with the game and create issues. So you can temporarily disable Firewall and antivirus. Since it is always recommended not to disable Firewall and antivirus as your system is vulnerable to malicious threats without them, make sure to enable them soon after. Here is how to disable Windows Defender Firewall. Type Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search box and select the top option. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, not recommended for private and public network settings. Save the changes by clicking on OK. In case you use Windows Security, type Windows Security in the search menu and select the first option. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings from the Virus and Threat Protection section. From the next window, turn off the toggle for real-time protection. From the next UAC command prompt, select Yes. If you have any other third-party antivirus software, make sure to turn it off too. Method 11. Turn on or turn off VPN. If you are using any VPN connection while playing Granblue Fantasy Relink, then disable it for the time being. Then launch the game and see. In case you are not using any VPN, then use one and then launch the game and check. Method 12. Verify the game files. Missing or corrupted game files can also cause issues while playing Granblue Fantasy Relink. So verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Install Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and download the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 13. Contact Granblue Fantasy Relink support team. If none of the methods can fix the network error, then you can visit the Granblue Fantasy Relink support page and state your problem there. Then follow the suggestions provided by the expert team to fix the issue. And there you have it, the 13 methods to fix a network error has occurred in Granblue Fantasy Relink on PC. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.